This is a Quen-Data Executive 80. This is an electronic typewriter. By looks, it's 80s made. It's got a nice mouse. Okay. It's got a nice silent eye. This reminds me. Okay, so it's got 1, 1.5 and 2 lines space, 10, 12, 15 pitch, and you can control the boldness of the printing. Let's see. So this is the boldest. This is the intermediate bold. And regular bold. So not much of a difference to the naked eye, so I don't know. Okay, it has this automatic underlining button, so you can go out and here we are. Let me remove this. I reckon these are for setting the tabulator. This one, I don't know. I haven't figured it out. This is line feed. This is keyboard 2. It allows one to use the extra symbols on the keys. This is a mode, switches between real-time typing, the display type where one can edit one line at a time. This is the auto, when one can go on printing text and editing while the machine puts it on paper. This is the caps. One removes this with the shift key. And so this has that classic 80s feel on the keyboard. Let me disconnect this. This is an extra button. It has a pause button, from what I gather. It goes back to the position where it was. This is probably for replacing the ribbon. The ribbon cartridge. This one lacks this little ribbon on this side, so the ribbon tends to skip and then misses. This is the location for the correction ribbon. And here she goes again. So let's pause this one and listen to the keyboard. This is just like the old keyboards I used in the late 80s, early 90s. Should put in something on the paper, but the paper was already at the end, so let's check this one out. So this one was on the off position, and I pressed on test. No? Test button. spits out all the characters of today's wheel. I have this one. It means alert online, probably for the Centron export. It has on the back, right under here. This is one very heavy machine and bulky, but it allows from some well, quick, steady text editing and printing. It really is what it is. Electronic typewriter from the 80s.